here, and it's not body of psychology figure. It is put in a draft form from 1954. Before that, it used to be in a coffin, which they used to open it every exposition. But at that time, in 1952, you could touch the body and receive blessing. So it is intact. It is intact. In the sense it is not. And what happened was when he died, he wanted to go to China to talk about God's love and tell them about Jesus. But they did not want to take any European because of humanity, but also because of the trade. They didn't want to have any trade with Europe. Neither they would destroy their own trade. So he could not get an entry there. So he died on the island on the 3rd of December 1552. And when he died, they buried him there so that they would bring his bones to Goa, because Goa was the center of the Jesuit activity. So they put Chuna down, Chuna on top, so that 2 days down, so that he would disintegrate in 4 months' time, they would get his bones. But that did not happen. 4 months' time, when they observed him, his body was intact. So then they said, what should we do? So let's take him like that only. They took him in the sea so that the south water vibration would work with that. No, it did not. Then they buried him in a church like this, and then they didn't put a coffin, only with margin. But they did not. So it is not embalmed. So this is not a mummy, it's a body that has remained in the miracle body intact. So then when it was brought to Goa in 1554, there was a lot of anything about feeding 2 years since. But in the Catholic Church, you have to go through a process. So you have to be beatified and say, so there's a full process you have been to election. So that they're very strict about it. So when they brought him to Goa, they really experienced a lot of miracles. So people would want to touch it. So that has gone down to even today people are experiencing healings. Real genuine can be attested with the doctor. So then afterwards they felt that people started taking little relics of his hair and pulling it out quietly, but then it's a relic to keep it in the house. So then the then Archbishop said, no, we will not allow this to happen, let's fix it. So that's what they did. Now, in 1614, they cut his hand. So after that, sort of the body, which was quite different, it began to kind of shrivel. It became like a skull. Then they took this part, and then they took other parts, and these parts are in different churches and institutions as a relic. So then after that, this casket, which was there, was put here in 1638 with the top part. But in 1624, it was brought from that side. This part we just call the mausoleum, which is actually a sarcophagus, which means it keeps the bones hold the body. You can't keep it in, so they kept it on top. It was not meant to be fully inside. So then the body was stripped down, and this chapel was built so that people could go down. Initially they had kept it there, but then they brought it this up. So this was too big, but they kept it on top. It was only after this thing was done that they had this partial kind of an exposition of their body. So that's how it is. So even now, I do pray readings, like virtual healing. Many people experience healing too. So as you also come to God, may you also be blessed. Sure, thank you. And pray with you. Make this work for us. This one, and there is some counsel. The heart was burning with love. I just pray. That's why the Father gave you this support, that you may believe and preserve the body from corruption. And so many times, military. All the best.
Thank you so much. It was a spiritual experience.
तू कसं नंबर तो हाडीचा म्हणता
Sir. You want to visit Basilica of Church at Goa?
मैंने अभी बेसिलिका चर्च विजिट किया और भगवान का आशीर्वाद लिया गोवा के लोगों के लिए, देश के लोगों के लिए, फॉर द वेलबींग ऑफ गोवंस, फॉर द वेलबींग ऑफ इंडियंस, फॉर द प्रॉस्पेरिटी ऑफ गोवा, फॉर द प्रॉस्पेरिटी ऑफ आवर कंट्री, एंड आई आल्सो टुक ब्लेसिंग्स एंड it was a very good experience.
Communal harmony which is there in Goa, like we visited the temple yesterday, our church may be there. So how do you see that?
Actually, our country belongs to all the religions, all the castes, and it's a bouquet of flowers, and all the castes and all the religions they have coexisted for such a long time. तो अगर ये हमारा फैब्रिक है, इसको बना के रखना है, प्यार और मोहब्बत से हम लोग जो रहते हैं वो सब बना के रखना है, तभी हमारा देश प्रोग्रेस करेगा।
सर सीएम समाज ने क्वेश्चन किया कि आप पार्टी में कंडक्ट कर
चलिए राहुल मामले